In this video, I'm going to show you how to make authentic hats and broccoli in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. So the ingredients you need are olive oil, hot pasta water, butter, crushed red pepper, minced garlic, salt, hats, and broccoli. Step 1, you want to cook the pasta in boiling water with salt. Step 2, cook the broccoli in salted water. You want to take the broccoli out when you can put a fork in it easily like that. So I've strained it. And my next step is that I'm going to fry the broccoli up, and I'm going to use olive oil, garlic, and hot pepper. Olive oil, garlic, hot pepper. We're going to let that cook for a little while. The garlic and hot pepper are cooking in the oil. When the garlic gets a little bit toasty, we're going to put the broccoli in. We also need a little bit of salt for this. Next, I'm going to add some butter to the hats. This helps them to not stick together. This is what the broccoli looks like when it's all done, and we're just going to put it right over the hats. Mix it up. Add a little bit of pasta water. And that's it. This hats and broccoli recipe is a must try. It's a local favorite here in Utica, New York. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching How to Utica Food.